This is R.Suriyadevi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, the Standard 5X Rajaram College for Women, Sivakasi. My topic is on Goods and Services Tax Registration. So, shortly we call it as GST registration. So, first let us discuss what is GST registration. So, first let us know what is GST, Goods and Services Tax. So, after implementation of GST, so everyone is individual and a citizen of India is coming under the GST regime. So, businesses whose turnover exceed the threshold limit of 40 lakhs, 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs must register under GST. Then only they can carry on the business in a free limit manner, otherwise they can be imposed on penalty or offences may be implied to them. So, what is this 40 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs? It means the 40 lakhs is limit for us every casual person, and the 20 lakhs limit is for the special category state, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and other states of India. This 10 lakhs is for the special category members of casual person and NRI persons of abroad countries. And the next, let us see what are the different types of GST registration. So, the first category is normal taxpayer. So, the normal taxpayer is simply the person whose turnover is above 40 lakhs, he must be complied to be registered under GST. And the second one is casual taxable person. This casual taxable person is doing on the business only during the seasonal period. So, he will be carrying on the business of 3 months. That is in our locality, that is the Sivakasi is carrying on the business, cracker business during the 3 months period. Then the calendar business will be carried on for the 3 months period. Such person has to be registered as casual taxable person. Then the composition taxpayer, he will be registered as, if he is coming under composition taxpayer, he will be paying tax for yearly only, not monthly. He will be imposed very low rate of tax. So, he will be coming under composition taxpayer. Mainly if he is carrying on the business for in a small scale level, he need not have transaction on a monthly basis, means such person can register under composition taxpayer. Then the last category is non-resident taxable person. If a person outside India sending goods to a person inside India, then he should be registered as non-resident taxable person. So, these are the different types of GST registration categories. Then let us discuss about who should obtain the GST registration compulsorily. So, the person who is carrying on the business under RCM, then the e-commerce operator, then the person who are supplying the goods, then who are supplying the services under online basis or software basis must be registered under GST. Then let us discuss about what are the documents required for GST registration. The first elementary document is a valid permanent account number, that is PAN. The next basic requirement is a valid email address, then mobile number. Then he should have a validity proof residential address of a business. Then he should have under a place of business residential address, complete registration certificate of the business. Then if it is a proprietorship, one individual person, or partnership, one individual partner, or if it is an association of person, one trustee, or if it is a company, a director, or if it is a HUF, a Karta, should be a person responsible for signing authority. They should have a signing authorized signature of that company or a association of person. Then all these to be complied with the GST requirements. Then the lastly is juristical details. If any one of the document is missing, they cannot complete the GST registration. So, these are the documents required for GST registration. Then what is, then we are having these much of formalities, then GST registration fees, is anything implied for GST registration? No, there is no fees prescribed under GST law, as every individual is doing the registration on their own on the GST portal. So, there is no registration fees for registration. Then what are the penalty for not obtaining the GST registration. If it is identified by the officers, it is a valid reason, that is genuine errors means they will be implied to a penalty of 10,000 or 10% of their tax liability amount. Then if they are deliberately evaded by paying tax, if it is identified by the tax officer, they have purposely not registered under GST means they have to pay 100% equal to their tax liability amount as penalty. Then let us discuss about, then we see all the formalities, then how they are benefited under GST means, if he is registered as a normal registered business, he can take the benefit of ITC, that is input tax credit. He can claim refund under GST. Then he can conduct the inter-sale business, that is between the state business without any restrictions. Then the next benefit is for composition dealers, that is paying taxes yearly once. For them, the main benefit is limited compliance, less formalities, lesser tax liability and less impact on working capital. Then the benefit for business that voluntarily opt for GST registration means they can also avail ITC and conduct interstate business without any restriction, then easily register on online and e-commerce websites, and they can take the competitive advantage when compared to the other business people. Then what are the exemption under GST registration means, the person who are registered under RCM can exempted under GST registration. Then the goods who come under the supply of exempted goods, that is the sale of building or land, funeral services and the services provided by an employee. These persons are exempted under GST registration. The other category of exemption is the person who are selling the goods like turbine fuel, electricity, natural gas, high speed diesel, because these petroleum products are till now exempted under GST. So, they can exempted under GST registration. Then if their sale is below the 40 lakhs threshold limit means they can exempted under GST registration. Then the agriculturist, they can also be exempted under GST registration. So, these are all the procedures and formalities under the GST registration. There are some online procedures for registration. These will be continued in the next video. Thank you.